Welcome to our deep dive into the dupe economy, where today we uncover the shocking secrets behind your favorite cheap luxury items. You have probably seen the massive gold mine online, a $3,000 designer bag found for only 38 bucks. Your brain immediately does a very quick calculation, convincing you that you are not buying a fake item, but simply winning the game. You feel like you are outsmarting a massive luxury conglomerate that marks up simple leather by over 2,000%. But here is the most important question we never ask at the checkout line. If the beautiful bag looks exactly identical, why does your heart skip a nervous beat when someone asks if it is real? Welcome to the massive $500 billion shadow world, where the most expensive thing you lose is not your money, but your entire sense of self. We must carefully distinguish the major players in this highly complex global market to understand the trap we are walking into. On one side, we have the illegal counterfeit replica, a market so vast that luxury brands spent millions last year just trying to suppress it. On the other side is the legal gray area, the cheap online dress mimicking a famous high-end silhouette, or the $10 version of a $90 luxury face cream. In massive manufacturing cities, the same hands stitching authentic sneakers often spend the night shift working on the unauthorized cheap versions. This is the ghost factory phenomenon, where the underlying craftsmanship remains a shared secret, haunting the global fashion and luxury manufacturing industry. If the quality is converging rapidly due to shared supply chains, what are you actually paying for when you decide to buy the authentic luxury item? You're essentially paying for the exclusive gatekeeper, and right now, those heavy gates are being completely kicked down by social media algorithms. In 1899, economist Thorstein Veblen gave us a brilliant term that perfectly defines your modern social media feed: conspicuous consumption. Veblen argued that in a capitalist society, we do not buy things just to have them, we buy them to signal our social status and taste. A luxury bag acts as a walking billboard, loudly telling the world that you possess vast resources, excellent taste, and belonging to the elite. The cheap dupe serves as a clever psychological cheat code, allowing you to send that wealthy signal without paying the expensive status tax. From a gain theory perspective, you are attempting to gain the rewards of the luxury signal while minimizing the resource cost. But there's a massive glitch in this mental software. Even when a dupe is visually indistinguishable, the person wearing it usually feels significantly lesser inside. Researchers call this the counterfeit self effect, a specific type of imposter syndrome that subconsciously erodes your moral integrity. When you wear a fake product, you subconsciously perceive yourself as a fake person, leading to a measurable decline in your self-esteem. Your personal possessions are not just tools, they represent what leading psychologists call our extended self. Social media platforms like TikTok have completely rebranded being cheap as being savvy, with the dupe hashtag surpassing billions of global views. This digital trend rewards our brains with a strong sense of moral licensing, making us feel amazing about supposedly beating the capitalist system. We conveniently ignore the sad fact that we are still hopelessly addicted to the relentless trend cycles of that exact system. We're not brave rebels fighting the establishment, we're just eager customers who found a slightly cheaper door into the same cage. This is exactly where the clever little win turns incredibly dark and sinister, because that $38 price tag is not magic, it is math. To make a high-volume, low-cost bag profitable, the externalities, the costs not on the receipt, must be pushed onto someone else. In fast fashion hubs, garment workers often earn less than $100 for an entire month of grueling labor. When we loudly scream for more dupes, we are actively demanding a cruel world where human labor holds absolutely no value and no dignity. We are blindly subsidizing a dangerous global race to the bottom, where the winner is whoever can exploit people the most. The fashion industry is currently responsible for a staggering 20% of global industrial wastewater, polluting our most vital rivers. Every massive dupe haul video represents a future landfill overflowing with toxic synthetic fabrics and non-biodegradable cheap plastics. We are foolishly trading the long-term stability of our natural planet for a fleeting 3-week viral social media trend that will be forgotten soon. Massive shopping applications use highly addictive dopamine loops to keep you constantly scrolling and buying things you do not need. These AI-driven platforms secretly track luxury runaway trends and can put a cheap dupe in your daily feed within less than 7 days. You did not actually want that specific bag. A powerful predictive algorithm convinced you that without it, you would remain socially invisible. The ultimate hidden cost of the dupe economy is your personal autonomy, as you lose the ability to decide what you genuinely desire. Your tastes are no longer a reflection of your personality. They are entirely dictated by lines of cold computer code and manipulation. So what is the actual realistic alternative here? Do we all just need to start buying $3,000 designer bags to be ethical? Absolutely not. The real solution to this massive crisis is not to spend more money, but to consciously cultivate the discipline to want less. Financial freedom is not the ability to buy everything you want. It is the wisdom to realize how little you actually need to be happy. The next time you are about to click buy on a cheap dupe, you must ask yourself, if I could never post a photo of this online, would I still want it? If the honest answer is no, you are not buying a physical item, you are just buying a temporary ego boost from total strangers. The second-hand vintage market is officially projected to hit $350 billion by the end of this decade for a very good reason. Buying a used, high-quality item is not just environmentally sustainable, it is actually a massive social and cultural power move. It means owning a unique piece with a rich history and patina, rather than a cheap plastic copy built on a foundation of lies. In the world of finance, we call this value investing. Investing in assets that retain their worth and utility over decades, not weeks. The real ultimate flex in our modern digital world is not looking exactly like a heavily photoshopped celebrity on your Instagram feed. It is being a grounded, sovereign individual who can never be bought, sold, or easily duped by a highly manipulative shopping algorithm. We must completely rethink our relationship with material goods, moving from being consumers back to being stewards of our own possessions. You are proudly declaring that you value genuine craftsmanship, ethical labor practices, and the long-term health of our precious environment. The relentless pursuit of cheap social media trends leaves us feeling empty, anxious, and constantly searching for the next digital fix. It is a never-ending cycle of mindless consumption that drains our bank accounts and slowly erodes our unique individual identities. By stepping away from the toxic dupe culture, we can finally begin to rediscover our own authentic voices and aesthetic preferences. We can start building a versatile capsule wardrobe that truly reflects who we are rather than who the internet tells us we should be. Imagine the immense freedom of waking up every day and dressing for yourself, completely free from the heavy, invisible burden of trends. You would no longer feel that nagging pressure to constantly update your closet with every minor shift in global popular culture. Your clothes would become a beautiful extension of your true self rather than a cheap costume designed to impress strangers. This profound shift in mindset requires courage and a willingness to swim against the massive cultural current of more, faster, cheaper. It means actively choosing quality over quantity and deliberately valuing authenticity over the fleeting illusion of high-end status. But the rewards are more than worth the effort. You will save money, reduce waste, and find a true sense of psychological peace. You will no longer be a mindless pawn in a massive global game designed to extract your wealth, your data, and your attention. Instead, you will become a conscious consumer who fully understands the massive hidden costs behind every single purchase decision you make. Consider the macroeconomic impact. When we stop buying garbage, the market is forced to stop producing garbage. We have the absolute power to unplug from this matrix and boldly chart a much more sustainable and authentic path for our society. Everything in this modern world has a hidden price tag, and the initial checkout line is just the very beginning of the true transaction. I am the host of Hidden Costs, where we investigate the invisible forces shaping your life and your wallet. If this video made you question your next purchase, please subscribe and join our community of conscious thinkers. Remember, investigate everything, especially the desires that an algorithm planted in your own mind.